Estate planning is one of the most important steps you can take to protect your family and ensure your wishes are honored. However, there are common mistakes people often make that can create confusion or financial loss. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 estate planning mistakes and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1 is failing to update your estate plan after major life changes. Life events like marriage, divorce, the birth of a child, or the passing of a loved one should always trigger a review of your plan. If you don't make updates, your assets may go to the wrong people, or important decisions about your estate could be overlooked. Next, we have mistake number 2, not appointing alternate fiduciaries. You might have someone in mind to serve as your executor or trustee, but what happens if they can't serve when the time comes? It's crucial to name alternates to prevent delays and ensure that someone you trust is always in place to manage your affairs. Mistake 3 is a big one, failing to fund your trust. Many people set up a trust to avoid probate or protect their assets, but it's ineffective if you don't transfer your assets into it. Be sure to work with your attorney to make sure your trust is properly funded. In today's digital world, mistake number 4 is becoming more common: overlooking digital assets. From online banking to social media and cryptocurrency, you need to include these in your estate plan. Without the right provisions, your loved ones may struggle to access important accounts after you're gone. Mistake 5 is not considering estate taxes. If you live in Massachusetts, your estate may be subject to the state estate tax, even if it doesn't meet the federal threshold. Planning ahead can reduce the tax burden on your heirs and ensure that more of your wealth stays with your family. Mistake 6 is failing to designate beneficiaries for all of your assets. Many people forget to name beneficiaries for retirement accounts or life insurance policies, which can send those assets into probate. To avoid delays and legal fees, make sure all of your accounts have up-to-date beneficiary designations. And finally, mistake 7 is not accounting for incapacity. Without documents like a healthcare proxy or durable power of attorney, decisions about your medical care and finances could be left to the courts if you're unable to make them. Make sure these documents are part of your estate plan so that someone you trust is authorized to act on your behalf. These are just a few of the most common estate planning mistakes that people make. By avoiding them, you can ensure your wishes are carried out and your loved ones are protected. If you have questions about your own estate plan or need help getting started, feel free to reach out. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Contact us today for a free estate plan review, and let's make sure everything is in place for your future.